I was getting Chinese, and like all of a sudden I see him going middle road, going around, and he hit me.
When she crashed, I saw somebody like fly over, and I was like, oh, she hit somebody.
She survived. My son isn't. My son is dead. I'm scared that she's gonna take off.
No drinking or driving, no drugs or nothing?
No, sir.
That is a lie. This is Emily Elizabeth Portillo, and she doesn't know she just ended someone's life. On the evening of February 29th, 2024, shortly after 7 p.m., 47-year-old Roy Parra is riding his mountain bike east on the north sidewalk of Loman Avenue in Las Cruces, New Mexico. He's pulling a small bicycle trailer as he crosses the Interstate 25 overpass. At the same time, 27-year-old Emily Elizabeth Portillo is driving a silver Ford Mustang at a high rate of speed. She exits Interstate 25 and attempts to turn west onto Loman Avenue. According to traffic investigators, Portillo fails to negotiate the turn and crashes head-on into Parra.
Did you see the accident? Can you step over here, bro? They're gonna start assessing them. Come to this side, brother. Just two. I'm gonna have him come over here. Did you see what?
No, he's unconscious and he has a very weak pulse.
Okay. Did you see what happened?
No, I'm an ICU nurse.
Okay. Can you hang up the phone?
Talk to the cops. I'm so sorry.
What happened?
I was getting Chinese, and like all of a sudden I see him going middle road, going around, and he hit me. I'm just like, and I stopped, and like minute I hit him, it's like hit me.
Okay, where were you coming from?
I was coming right here. I was like on the interstate. I was like literally exiting off. I was going to the Chinese buffet. And the thing is, like, I saw him.
So you had just gotten off going this way?
Yeah, like I moved over, and like I saw him move into the middle of the road. I'm like, okay, I moved over. Then like, he moved forward. I'm like,
which lane were you in?
I was in this lane. I went to that lane because the thing is, I saw him in this lane. I'm like, okay, I moved around him, and he went forward.
So he's in front of you. You're going like this.
Yes, sir.
And then you're gonna go to the left lane, the one left, and then he got in your way.
Yes, sir.
Do you have your license, registration,
Yes, sir.
insurance?
I'm so sorry.
Where are you coming from?
I was coming from Loman. I was just getting Chinese food. I am so sorry. That's my ID. I'm so sorry.
Where are you coming from?
I was coming from Loman. I literally just came home.
This is Loman.
1146.
I'm so sorry.
Where were you coming from?
I was coming from university off to Loman. I literally just dropped off my little sister. I told her I want to get some Chinese food from the Chinese buffet. And I saw him. I went around him, and I guess...
So you're coming from university?
Yes, sir.
Where did you drop off your niece?
I dropped my little sister right now.
Your little sister?
Yes, my little sister. Literally off my parents' house right now. Off of Tudugas over there.
Okay.
And I went over here, and like I saw him, and I went around him.
Is Rona still a good address for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have insurance and registration on
Yes,
that vehicle?
sir, I do.
Can I have it, please?
Yes, sir.
No drinking or driving, no drugs or nothing?
No, sir.
Okay. I just have to insure, that's all.
Okay.
Let me go with you because people...
I just paid off his vehicle.
That's fine. You said no drinking and driving, right, ma'am?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. What's that?
It's okay. I saw her. What's wrong?
You have insurance, man?
I'm so
Actually, this right here. This.
I'm sorry. Is it okay?
Well, they're checking them. I'm just...
I think I hit him. That's why.
Okay.
I avoided
Let's go to the curb. Let's go to the curb. You can put that back in your car, man. It's fine. I just need this.
I'm just trying just in case. Like,
no, just put it up so you're not holding it. This is not gonna open.
yeah, it's not open. I saw him immediately pulling through. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna avoid him. Then I like so you to go through.
Yeah.
I'm like, no.
Okay. Can you have a seat right here for me, please? Can you have a seat right here for me? What's your name? Let me see. Emily. They're assessing them. Okay, I'll keep you updated on all that. Out of curiosity, because I heard some blatantly statement you didn't go over a curb or anything like that, right?
No, I went this way. That's why I'm like, what do you mean? I went this way.
And was he on the lane or was he in this little thing right here?
I saw him like literally still going this way. I'm like, no, I'm going this way then like.
So from this little lane right here?
Yes.
He was going this way? So then you're gonna go? Okay. Are you hurting anyway?
No, I'm perfectly. Is he okay?
I don't know. They're assessing it. Okay? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you.
The impact is severe. Parra is thrown from his bicycle over the Loman overpass and onto a rock retaining wall below. Bystanders immediately call 911. When Las Cruces police and emergency medical personnel arrive, they find Parra with serious injuries.
Oh, that's your skateboard. So what happened?
We're standing right here. I was about to come talk to my friend. He's Spanges right here. He's the guy with the dog. So I wanted to cross the road. As I'm waiting to cross the road, Mustang is hauling ass, dude. No joke. My friend was not in the road. He was on the sidewalk. This is your friend? Yeah, I know him from.
Oh, okay.
I know him from being out here.
Gotcha, kid.
Yeah, because I walked around and stuff. He was fine before. I was walking to the
So he gets hit here and... Okay.
He was sitting right here. Look, there's a cigarette. There's this fucking cigarette.
Okay. Just hang out. One of these officers needs to get your information, okay? Hey, Brown, I need his... He's a witness.
Officers let a rookie cop initiate field sobriety tests by prepping him what to say to Emily.
Can we demand her to do fields?
Yes. Or no, we can't. We can't demand her.
Okay, so how can we approach this to kind of, let's do fields? What are you going to say?
There's a couple of tests that I would like to administer. Do you mind willing to take them?
What kind of tests?
There's 3 tests that I would like to do on you. As far as...
What do we call the test? You don't need a pussyfoot around the subject, right? Standardized field sobriety test, right?
So,
and we want what he's getting at. We want to kind of skirt around, give her the reason why. We want to eliminate it as one of the possibilities, right?
Right.
So, would you perform them?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Is he okay?
They transported him. Respectfully, I've only spoken to you and what I overheard. I did not make any contact with him, so I don't know.
Tried avoiding him?
Did the impact happen right there?
Yes, it happened right here. That's why I was like trying to avoid him.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, I saw him pass. I'm like, okay, I went avoiding him, and then he went forward. That's why I was like, why?
Okay. Alrighty. Just want to make sure, because I don't know where the allegation came from. The sidewalk. That's what I'm trying to piece together.
Like, no, I never hit the sidewalk. Because I'm like, I went around him.
Okay. Do you know how he ended up on that side?
No, I don't know. That's the thing, is like, I don't know if they dragged him over there. The thing is, I pulled it over here. I told him, like, is he okay? Is he okay? And they told me, like, oh yeah, they put him over there.
Okay.
So.
Alright.
Alright, ma'am, I want some one arm. There's going to be some tests that I want to do with standardized field for sobriety tests. And I want to eliminate those, eliminate anything that you've been drinking or anything like that. I'm not saying that you are, but would you be willing to administer any of this?
Asking him for SFSTs.
What's that?
He's asking him for SFSTs.
What do you think?
I don't think so. I really don't. She's not. I really, really don't.
Most of the officers that made contact with Emily don't believe she is under the influence at all, but they would be proven wrong.
Emily, can you face this way?
Just to the lights.
So can you move your hair out of the way, like clear behind your ears and stuff? Awesome, thank you.
You're calling me, sorry.
Just take a few minutes. Won't take too long.
It's okay. Take a deep breath.
Alright, can you put your hands down at your side, please?
Hey, Papa.
Can you see the tip of my pen?
In the area of 912 East Bowman for that disturbance.
Can you move your hair? Just still look.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, relax, Emily.
You can wipe your shoes.
It's fine. Again, this is just to ensure you're not impaired. That's all. I got you.
I'm going to social work. That's all I know.
You're a social worker?
Yes, I'm going for social work. I'm a master's in
Oh,
social
okay.
work.
Do it.
Yes, sir.
He'll explain it to you.
Alright, if you want to stand on this line right here for me. Face me.
Face you?
Yes.
I got your light.
Everyone's good for now.
Okay, so you see this white line, correct? Okay, so now next you're gonna go ahead and place your right foot on your left.
880-797.
Yes, exactly. Okay, put your arms down at your side. Make sure both feet are on the white line. Heel to toe.
797, can we go to 3?
Okay, you're gonna go in and you're gonna count out loud 9 steps. Okay. When you get to your 9th step, you're gonna make a series of small circles. You're gonna turn around and you're gonna continue on this line back with the 9 steps, saying them out loud. Once I tell you to stop, tell you to start with the tests. You're not stopping until you are done.
Okay.
You're
So like 9 paces that way, then turn around, the 9 paces this way, the 9 paces that way?
Yes. So you're gonna count out loud, heel to toe, 9 steps.
Yes, sir. Okay. So this is my first step then, right?
I think he's gonna start all over, ma'am, just to
I'm sorry.
cover any. No, you're fine.
Sorry, I'm like, I don't want to like.
No,
Sorry.
you're fine.
The first time ever doing this, I'm like, I want
I
to
got
make
you.
sure.
You're fine.
Okay.
So we're gonna put your
So this
right
is like
foot,
one.
There you go,
your
yeah.
left, heel to toe.
Yes, sir.
Now
So
you're-
like 1, 2,
Okay, so just
3.
Again.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, I'm sorry, 1008, 1009, 1010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027.
You get relaxed. Alright, Billy, do me a favor. Face that way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have 15?
The investigation reveals that alcohol and speed were both contributing factors in the crash. Portillo was driving at a high rate of speed while under the influence of both alcohol and cannabis when she struck Parra. Emily Portillo is arrested at the scene. Meanwhile, Emily's family shows up at the scene of the crime.
So you guys family members?
Her mother.
Yeah, she's getting arrested right now for drunk driving.
Okay, she left our house. She didn't.
Okay.
I know.
I get it, but yeah, that's what's happening right now. The person, I don't know the status of him right now, but he's probably on his way to El Paso. It doesn't look very good. So that's just preliminary charges at this time.
Okay, is it alcohol or what charges is it?
I'm not sure. It's a DWI. Is the subject okay? At this point, not really. We don't know the extent of his injuries, but he's probably going to be going to El Paso by a helicopter. So.
Do we know how it happened?
Well, from what we can tell, the initial tell is she's speeding off the exit ramp, trying to beat the light, and never slows down, never hits the brake, and just nails him right on the sidewalk.
On the sidewalk?
Yeah, he's on the sidewalk. He gets launched over the bridge. So she's going pretty fast, which is, not normal if you have all your abilities on you, It doesn't normally happen. So that's basically where it's at. She'll be able to make a phone call once she gets to the jail and everything, and then you'll know then. But more than likely, she'll see the judge by state law, she has to see the judge within the next 48 hours. Right now it's a DWI charge, and it could be something else down the road, but depends on what the condition of the subject is, okay? So basically that's where we're at. Do you have any other questions?
Would it be possible to get your card to just get in contact us?
Do you have a business card?
I can. I got one.
2 days later, on March 2nd, 2024, Roy Parra dies from his injuries at University Medical Center. What started as a crash with non-life-threatening injuries has now become a homicide investigation. Following Parra's death, prosecutors amend the charges against Emily Portillo to include homicide by vehicle while driving under the influence. The charge reflects the fact that her impaired driving directly caused the death of another person. Officers meet with Roy Parra's mom just 2 days after his passing.
Miss Butter? Yes, ma'am. I'm Officer Eduardo with the PD. I was the one that spoke to you the other day on the phone.
Yeah, going to El Paso.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my son just passed away.
Okay, we got that information from the Office of the Medical Investigator.
You can sit down.
So we're moving forward with other charges for that.
Yeah.
So we have to get with the DA, and we're waiting on that too.
Okay, because I went to the guest funeral home because he was an organ donor. And they said because since he was an organ donor, they couldn't believe they didn't take him to Albuquerque to do an autopsy just to make sure that he died actually from the fall, you know, because he was brain dead.
Okay.
That girl got out of jail after she killed my son. She needs to get back in there.
Right, and there's a process, there's a due process that she'll go through.
Because he'd be already dead.
Right.
They need to already, they really need to charge her for that.
And that's
So
what we're
working
working
on that
on.
actually
We're
today.
doing the charges right now.
I guess not.
And you have to understand it's a process. Everybody gets a due process, right? You're innocent until proven guilty. And that's the way America works. So,
Yeah, but she hit him in the car. There are so many witnesses.
right. But
So
you understand you have to understand too, there's a due process that every American is given.
They shouldn't even let her out. After what they got her with, she was three times intoxicated, 3 times over the limit in her alcohol. Yeah, 3 times.
I'm not sure what it was.
Yeah, they said it was 3 times.
No, man, it was maybe you're looking at 1.5 times the limit.
I don't know, but they were saying it 3 times.
Okay, well, I mean,
You're gonna hear a lot of things. If there's questions that we can answer for you right now,
Yeah, but you don't even know yet about how the limit of the alcohol she had.
it's not 3 times. I can tell you that it was.
But that's still a lot for him
Point.
to.
It's still. She was still
for her
over.
to kill,
Right.
him
I'm just
in
trying to
the car.
dispel any rumors because you're gonna hear a lot of
No,
rumors.
I know that, but I'm
And
saying
I wanna give you the
that's
facts.
still a lot
Right.
for killing a human being.
Absolutely.
And especially that he flew all the way down from the bridge.
Right.
That's still a lot.
Following Parra's death, prosecutors amend the charges against Emily Portillo to include homicide by vehicle while driving under the influence. The charge reflects the fact that her impaired driving directly caused the death of another person. On July 11th, 2025, Portillo appears before Judge Richard M. Jaquez for sentencing. The hearing is emotionally charged, with heartfelt statements delivered by both the Parra and Portillo families. Judge Jaquez imposes a 10-year prison sentence on Emily Portillo. She will serve 7 years in custody, with 3 years of her sentence suspended. The district attorney's office notes that securing a sentence involving incarceration, rather than probation, was a key objective and aligns with their broader commitment to reducing DWI-related fatalities across the county. Please subscribe and like.